today we're actually at City Hall. We're going to try to show you some different perspectives. There's so many cool shots to be taken in Philadelphia, but our goal today is to give you a little twist on those perspectives. So let's do the damn thing. City Hall, Center City, Philadelphia, one of the most taken shots in the entire city itself. You know, you can kind of just tell it's, you know, just beautiful. You know, there's leading lines, the amazing architecture, symmetry and things like that. You know, those are some of the things that I'm always looking for and trying to capture the perfect shot. But you know, today we're trying to see what can we add, what kind of value can we add to make this shot even better. You know, some of the things I may try to do actually is try to get different perspectives. Sometimes just a lower perspective can really change the feel of a photo. You know, I kind of like that, but it's still not doing it for me. You know, I do see some people crossing the street up here, so I may try to get one of them, hopefully perfectly in the center, walking through. So, you know what? Actually, let's try this. You know, I think I'm going to kind of use some of these street lines to give it a little bit of a different symmetry or center of direction and eye focus, I guess you could say. And some people are crossing the street right now. That's the shot right there, man. City Hall, and we're actually going to head out towards Market Street. It's another one of the more iconic shots in Philadelphia. You know, you get the buildings, you get the sunset sometimes with some of the cool lights coming through. So, you know, let's try to head over there and see if we can figure out a way to make it that much better. So we kind of walked around a little bit and checked out this small little block of Market Street area, just trying to see if we can get that perspective again and find that banger that's a little bit unique. You know, we kind of saw different things. You know, some things were okay, some things were but honestly, as literally we were just standing here, I noticed these poles with the little circles in them. I love framing. You know, the busyness of the street adds so much value, I think, to the grittiness of Philadelphia. You know, so I want to make sure to capture that. I think I'm going to try to do something similar to the last shot where I capture a subject, and I'm going to try to use this small circle as a frame to capture that subject to isolate them and make them pop a little bit. So let's see if we can try to do that whole thing. Dude, I got it. You got to check this out. Market Street in Center City. There's City Hall in the background there. We're walking towards the Philadelphia Museum of Art, which is more commonly known as the Rocky Steps for a lot of people that are visiting Philly. It's a very popular spot to take a photo, just like City Hall. A lot of people will just stand in front of the art museum, take a shot, take a wide shot, but point of this video is to get different perspectives on common shots in Philadelphia. So as we were walking, I turned around and I saw these bushes right here, which is one thing that I really love to do, and a tip for people that want to start taking photos or want to make their photos a little more interesting is to shoot through something or put things in the foreground that can just show depth and have a different perspective on the photo. So what we're going to do is take a look at the bushes and see if there's anything that I can get to make this photo a little more interesting. So we finally made it to the Rocky Steps. And have you really even been to Philly if you haven't done the Rocky Step Challenge?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
All right, guys, we're heading back to the apartment. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Yeah, we appreciate all of the support that you guys gave us. Let us know in the comments below if you guys like these type of videos or what kind of videos you're looking for. I got to go. I'm trying to get some Fortnite wins, so.
Subscribe.